Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the charging test in the Realme X2 Pro device after using for more than 9 months. So as you can see here friends, this is my first video which I uploaded on the Realme X2 Pro 9 months ago, exactly the Realme X2 Pro. So from the time to till now, I got the Realme X2 Pro with me only, but I did use occasionally the Realme X2 Pro, but I did charge the mobile phone I think 2 or 3 times a week till now using this 50 watts charger. So let's see, after the 9 months of usage with the Realme X2 Pro, did the charging rate got decrease or did the temperature is increasing while charging. So let's see what are the things about the Realme X2 Pro after long time using this phone. So don't forget to check out my other videos on the Realme X2 Pro. I did upload plenty of videos on the Realme X2 Pro regarding whether to buy or not. So very soon, within I think tomorrow, I'll be trying to upload another video on the Realme X2 Pro after using for 250 days as well. So where I'll be describing more about the mobile phone. So let's get started with this review on the charging test which I'll be doing right now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description for more playlist in detail reviews. So I got the temperature reading as well. So meanwhile, I'll be trying to check the temperature of the mobile phone before starting the charging test and after the charging test. So let's see how much decrease, how many degrees it's increasing in terms of the temperature from the beginning to the after charging, and how much long time is it going to take right now after this many long time usage. So this is another most requested question. After long time usage, did the charging rate is decreasing in the Realme X2 Pro, or is it any increasing in the temperature? So these are the answers will be available in this video. So try to watch till end of the video to get to know more details about this Realme X2 Pros. So right now the phone is completely dead to 0% at the moment. It's completely zero. So here I got the SuperVOOC charger ready here, and I'll be using the Realme cable only, not any other cable. So don't try to charge your Realme X2 Pro with any other cable. So always use the Realme cable only for the better results every time. So now let me connect to the mobile phone, and right now let me try to even check the temperature at the moment. So you can see it's 24 degrees. It's pretty normal and pretty cool, so not that heat. So 24 degrees is a average temperature we can conclude right now. So let me connect the charger and start the stopwatch. So let's see friends, how long will it gonna take to charge the Realme X2 Pro right now. So the charging indication has been started, so I have started the stopwatch as well. As you can see, it displaying the SuperVOOC charger. So during my usage, I never had any problem with the Realme X2 Pro's charging. So this is one of my first and most favorite feature, the charging speed rate, which is very good. So far the best in the 2020 for this kind of price range. So if you want to get this kind of 50 watts charger, you should be waiting for next year, because nowadays a lot of mobile phones are coping up with this kind of 50 watt and 40 watts 30 watts charger. So definitely you need to wait for a little bit more longer until you see more phones actually using this kind of technology, 50 watts. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So meanwhile, try to check out my other videos on the Realme X2 Pro's playlist. So you can find links in description for the playlist of Realme X2 Pro. So this is a Mi Note 10 Lite which I am using for 1 month. So it's very good, and in terms of the curved display. So again, I'll be back after 15 minutes of time. So let's see in the first 15 minutes how much the Realme X2 Pro is getting charged, and next once it get fully charged, I'll try to show you the time as well, so we can compare my results with your results as well. So right now you can see here friends, it's been exactly 15 minutes and 30 seconds, and let me show you the battery percentage, 69% within 15 minutes. So that's very good. As you can see, by the time I'm talking about that, the battery reached to the 70% as well, so which is very good for the first 15 minutes. So you can understand the charging rate did not decrease even after long time usage for the 9 months. So seriously friends, this should be good. So again, I'll be trying to continue the test. So let me try to even show you the temperature at this moment, how much it is. So from 24 degrees, so it increased to 34 degrees, as you can see. So back as well, back also 35 degrees. So overall from 24 to 34, so that's a 10 degrees increase in terms of the temperature. So let's see by the time it gets fully charged, so what is the maximum temperature it can actually reach in the Realme X2 Pro phone. So right now you can see here friends, clearly battery percentage of 99 percentage, and the time is around 28 minutes. So I'm just ready in making this video, so you'll get to know exactly how much time it has taken to complete charge the Realme X2 Pro. So now let me try to check the temperature. So let's see whether the phone has been cooled or not. So I can see a little bit decreased. So 34 is the maximum recorded temperature. So after 34, I did not see any increase in terms of the temperature here in the Realme X2 Pro. So overall, there is a 10 degrees increased as soon as I started to charge the mobile phone. So that's a quite usual, since considering the 50-watt fast charging in the Realme X2 Pro device, that should be a normal problem. So it should not be a big deal at all. So after even 9 months of using this Realme X2 Pro, still the charging speed is very fast in this mobile phone. So right now you can see it's 29 minutes. So it's still a last percentage will take a little bit of long time. So as you can see here friends, so this 99 percentage I got reached around close to 27 minutes. But still that 1% is taking too much of long time. So if you take out that 1%, I think it would be very good. So 27 minutes overall. So this time may vary from time to time. So seriously, if you're using the Realme X2 Pro, you may get sometimes 31 minutes fully charged or sometimes 25 minutes. So it varies around. So as you can see the time, I'm still waiting that 100% to come exactly. So that's why I'm trying to keep on talking something about the Realme X2 Pro. So after the Realme UI update, the battery is a little bit affected, but that is for another video. So where I'll be demonstrating a few screenshots and screen on time in the Realme X2 Pro device as well. So finally it reached 100% around 30 minutes and 10 seconds. As you can see friends, this is the overall time taken to charge the Realme X2 Pro device using the 50 watts charger. So that's a really good thing with the Realme X2 Pro. Even after a long time using this mobile phone, still the charging speed is pretty fast, and temperature there is only increase of 10 degrees from the beginning to end. So that is a maximum temperature it got increased at the moment. So this is overall review on the Realme X2 Pro in terms of the charging and temperature. So even after long time using the nine months of usage with this phone, still I'm gonna use this phone for very long time with me. I'll be keeping this phone, so don't worry. I'll try to make a video as well very soon, as soon as possible, Realme X2 Pro using after 250 days. So there I'll be describing more things about the mobile phone, software update, camera, battery issues and everything. So I'll be talking a lot in that video. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos as well. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.